teaching. These are teaching staff. We also have the non or the support staff who are doing their great job. We are very supportive. We are doing a lot. Like I said, it is teamwork. It is teamwork. So they are there, they are behind you, wherever you see, putting on orange, those are the support staff of Just Johnny. Thank you so much. I think I can have teachers go back. Especially the parents of the graduates, to think where these children have come from. And you cannot imagine what they are exploring, what they are exposing. But that is all the work of the teachers, the administrators, the director, and the whole management at large. Thank you so much. Allow me to take this opportunity to appreciate our dear parents for their strong support, especially when it comes to school fees. For me, I'm going to talk much about school fees because this is where we rely on. Dear parents, you're our source. But I want to take this opportunity for appreciating, highly appreciating on behalf of Just Johnny family, especially those parents who have really been there for us. In quotes, those who have congratulating our top class. I think it is an achievement, members, ladies and gentlemen. It is an achievement. It's not easy. It's not easy given all what we have, all what we have exposed, all what we have shown you. It has not been easy, but through God, things were really possible, and here we are celebrating the graduation for our top class children. Thank you, God, and thank you, everybody. So been going through the academics successfully, given some shortcomings, but we really did it. And we are sure all our children from P1 to P6 are going to be promoted to their other classes. We give glory to that. However, as a school, as administrators, as directors, we have gone through, like I said, we've been going through a lot. And this one I speak not in a happy mood. And to those, like I said, that those good parents who have really supported us, but that those ones, they may not be bad, but they're a little slow in picking up and taking up responsibilities, being the parents. And like I said, our support all relies on you. Where there are no finances, dear members, there's nothing that can go through. This is a private school. We don't have any other aid, any other external aid. We are all relying on some requirements. It has not been easy. You can imagine if we talk of reams of papers, toilet papers, you know, those reams that you've already brought. You give us hard time.